Returning to wealthy coin, howdy hello everyone. Shiba Inu has recently earned Vitalik Buterin $100 million. Latest updates about Shiba Inu. Burning through 90% of the initial supply of ships would take 25 years at the current rate of burn in September, according to the Shiba Inu burn tracker. Nevertheless, Shiba Inu may still not be worth $1. There would be 100 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation if 90% of the initial supply were burned. Shiba Inu is worth $5.7 billion on the market. This video will discuss the recent $100 million investment in Shiba Inu made by Vitalik Buterin. Latest updates about Shiba Inu. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. By the 13th of October, investors in Shiba Inu had amassed $1,223,516 in total, as recorded by CoinMarketCap. This represents an increase of 9% over the $1,114,483 total from the prior day. As the cryptocurrency's popularity declined, analysts predicted that interest in the meme altcoin would also decrease. Nevertheless, the SHIB team is committed to the asset and is actively seeking strategies to enhance the cryptocurrency's profitability. To get down to a few billion tokens, SHIB burning would have to go on for a few more years, while October is the basis for that. Based on the amount of fires, Shiba Inu trackers estimated in July that it would take 10 years to use 90% of the SHIB supply. Encouraging SHIB burning might significantly close the $1 price gap. Even though Vitalik Buterin burned through 41% of Shiba Inu's initial supply in one transaction, the majority of that amount has already been used up. The amount of supplies that has been burned since 18 months ago is a meager 0.2%. Owners of Shiba Inu tokens set fire to some of their own. Then plans were hatched to divert a portion of SHIB's earnings to fund various projects. You may now earn passive revenue only by burning SHIB thanks to the ShibaSwap lead development team's recent takeover of the burn portal. Shiba Inu will be able to get back on track with the support of each of these initiatives. Shiba Inu burns were worth $17,500 in September. The amount needed to burn a Shiba Inu in a quarter is 11 times less. The price of Shiba Inu has recently reversed its run-up due to a lack of bullish impetus. Consequently, SHIB is expected to reverse its recent gains and drop before retesting a crucial support level. From 0.000083 to 0.00092 USD, the price of Shiba Inu fell 11% on October 13th, reaching the fair value gap FVG. Because of the extremely unpredictable incident that took place that day, SHIB was able to recoup its losses and end the day higher than it started. Although this turned out well, there was no subsequent action. Consequently, the price of Shiba Inu has been quite stable. Unless Bitcoin's price finds a stable ground and starts to rebound, SHIB will probably keep losing weight. Keep an eye on the FVG's lower limit at 0.00000 ZD, which is near the point of control PLC at 0.000081 USD, the greatest volume traded level since May 2021, and other important levels. You should start building up your points by retaking one of these stages. Investors should anticipate a reversal in the Shiba Inu price if market conditions have improved. If you're a market maker, you should begin unloading at the equal highs of $0.000000179. This is probably the upper limit for the meme coin's upside, as it would represent profits of almost 119%. Conversely, the bullish thesis will be rendered useless if the price of Shiba Inu creates a daily candlestick close below the point of correction, which is set at $0.0000081. We could see a challenge of the $0.00004 support level and a possible downward movement in the Shiba Inu price. When trading this pattern, most traders aim for long holdings. The space between the skull and the collarbone is its intended point of release. Just below the neckline resistance, the Shiba Inu price is currently trading. The trend's legitimacy can only be determined with a break above that level. Investors will wait for the MVRV to rise above the mean line before selling, which is to say a 16.25% breakout to $0.000001208 is more likely if demand rises and SHIB moves north. The unsavory state of the global economy has led to what appears to be a robust and protracted bear market. This is particularly true when taking into account the Into the Block IO map model's insights. At $0.0001100, Shiba Inu price may begin to decline again. In the vicinity, about 23,200 addresses bought 67.33 trillion. SHIB tokens, there will be downward pressure on prices when these holders sell when prices recover just to break even. Is most known for being one of the creators of Ethereum. He helped start Bitcoin Magazine in 2011, and he was an early innovator in the Bitcoin industry. Along with Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Diorio, Joseph Lubin, and Gavin Wood, he co-founded Ethereum in 2015. The current total value of Vitalik Buterin's wealth is $1 billion. Financial services and the selling of crypto collectibles, including non-fungible tokens, are made possible by the Ethereum token, which is linked to the Ethereum blockchain. The value of Vitalik's Ether wallet reached $1.71 billion on November 8, 2021, when ETH reached a record high of $4,818.08. Vitalik's net worth fluctuated during the year. Ethereum ETH was trading at $3,683.05. The market downturn started in January 2022. However, he persists in maintaining his status as a billionaire. He possesses substantial quantities of various popular meme tokens, including $505 billion worth of SHIB, $50 billion worth of Akita, and $500 billion worth of Dogecoins. Shiba Inu crypto coins valued at $100 million were donated by Vitalik Buterin to the FAS, Indian COVID-19 Relief Fund, in 2021. In the wake of the Luna tragedy, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have both plunged into terrifying danger zones. He gave the Dogecoin Foundation around 1 million Ethereum tokens. After Butterbean won the 2014 World Technology Award, they were nominated for the 2016 Fortune 40 Under 40 and 2018 Forbes 30 Under 30 lists. He conceived up Ethereum after meeting Bitcoin developers all over the globe and learning about the currency's potential limitations. He set out to improve upon Bitcoin's scalability and applications in an effort to radically re-architect the web. For cryptocurrency enthusiasts, the Merge, previously known as Ethereum 2.0-is the event of the year. Crypto fans are increasingly gravitating towards the POS consensus as a result of the rising opposition to heavy PO mining. The long road to introducing the present ETH 2.0 has been traveled by Ethereum DevOps since 2020. Shiba Inu has been a fantastic example of the huge returns you can expect from investing early in cryptocurrency projects, and it has done well for investors ever since its creation. After a dismal year in 2022, Shiba Inus are expected to be a solid investment in 2023 according to the Shiba Inu price prediction, although the 2025 Shiba Inu price might indicate that the cryptocurrency is a solid investment. Early adopters seeking substantial returns would be better served by putting their money into a different crypto project. Your Shiba Inu investment will not yield large returns at this age. The SHIB Burn Twitter account said that 6 transactions totaling more than 50,802,530 SHIB were burned in the past 24 hours. On October 16th, 20,757,815 SHIB tokens were destroyed in 6 transactions, according to the SHIB Burn campaign. There have been 48 transactions totaling 395,803,998 Shiba Inu tokens burned in the past week. This brings the total number of SHIB burning since October to hundreds of millions. From an original quantity of 1,410,382,016,984,249 Shiba Inu had been consumed. A little increase in significant transactions may indicate that Shiba Inu whales or big holders are beginning to participate in the market. Into the Block reports that whales are more active buyers and sellers when there is a spike in large transactions, those over $100,000. The number of large transactions rose by 31% from the day before, as Shiba Inu maintained a price above the $0.000010 mark. The Shiba Inu reached a new all-time high of $0.000088 USD last year after starting a bull run and finishing a bullish pennant. Like most cryptocurrencies hit hard by bad market conditions since the start of 2022,